Here I have Cat S53, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application, then you should go to the tap on this hamburger icon, tap here, go to the Contacts app settings, then select import, select SIM card, tap OK. Here you can select which contacts you want to transfer, then tap import, and after that these contacts will appear on your device's contacts list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.